What's up, foodies? Today we are making mouth-watering grilled chicken thighs drizzled with a homemade hot honey. This recipe is perfect for any barbecue or family dinner, combining juicy grilled chicken thighs with a sweet and spicy honey. So let's get into it. First, let's make hot honey. In a small saucepan, add in 1 cup of honey. Place the saucepan over a low to medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes, just until the honey loosens up. We're not looking to cook it here. Then turn off the heat. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of a hot sauce of your choice and 2 teaspoons of crushed chili flakes until well combined. Then let it cool and let the flavors come together. Once it's cooled down, pour it into a container for storage. Now you can also adjust the heat level of the hot honey by varying the amount of hot sauce and chili flakes you add to your honey. Now for the chicken, preheat your grill to medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. For a pellet smoker, preheat to about 450 Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. It's a 45-year-old Alberta company offering clean, delicious, farm-direct organic products. They have provided me with some excellent chicken from Sunwick Farms. They are known for their healthy, organic food by taking good care of their land and their animals, making sure they are happy and healthy. In a small bowl, mix together the chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Opt in for bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for the best flavor and juiciness. The skin is going to help retain moisture while grilling. Place the chicken thighs skin side up on the grill and grill for about 10 minutes. Then flip them over, continue grilling for another 5 to 15 minutes, flipping occasionally until the internal temperature reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius. This is going to ensure it cooks thoroughly but still juicy. If you're using an offset smoker like a Traeger like I am, you don't need to flip the chicken. And you don't have to worry about flare-ups. If you're using a normal grill, keep an eye on the grill to avoid flare-ups. If they occur, simply move the chicken to a cooler part of the grill until they subside. Once your chicken is cooked thoroughly and has a nice char, transfer it to a serving platter. Then let your chicken rest for a few minutes after grilling. This is going to allow the juices to redistribute, making the meat more juicy and flavorful. Now drizzle your hot honey over the grilled chicken thighs while they are still hot, allowing the honey to glaze beautifully over the skin. These hot honey chicken thighs pair perfectly with grilled vegetables like my grilled asparagus with hot hollandaise. I hope you enjoyed my recipe for grilled chicken thighs with hot honey. If you gave this recipe a try, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, Food-Dee out.